kids, today we are making sentence with fond of. Past, present and future. Let's start.
Gupta, anyone ask me question?
हमें बच्चों को चिढ़ाने का शौक है.
We are fond of teasing children. We are not fond of teasing children. Are we fond of teasing children? Are not we fond of teasing children? In past, हमें बच्चों को चिढ़ाने का शौक था. We were fond of teasing children. We were not fond of teasing children. Were we fond of teasing children? Were not we teasing children? In future, हमें बच्चों को चिढ़ाने का शौक होगा. We will be fond of teasing children. We will not be fond of teasing children. Will we be fond of teasing children? Will not be fond of teasing children.
Welcome back to my Star Kids. My today's topic is fond of. Please anyone ask me question.
मुझे पानी भरने का शौक है.
My question is मुझे पानी भरने का शौक है. In a present, I am fond of feeling water. I am not fond of feeling water. Am I fond of feeling water? Am I not fond of feeling water? In past, I was fond of feeling water. I was not fond of feeling water. Was I not fond of feeling water? Was I not fond of feeling water? In the future, I will be fond of feeling water. I will not be fond of feeling water. Will I be fond of feeling water? Will I not be fond of feeling water? Thank you. My name is Sujal Karma. My today's topic is fond of. Please ask me the question.
मुझे बाइक चलाने का शौक है.
My question is मुझे बाइक चलाने का शौक है. I am fond of driving bike. I am not fond of driving bike. Am I fond of driving bike? Amn't I fond of driving bike? In past, I was fond of driving bike. I was not fond of driving bike. Was I fond of driving bike? Wasn't I fond of driving bike? In future, I will be fond of driving bike. I will not be driving bike. Will I be fond of driving bike? Will I not be fond of driving bike? Thank you.
My name is Garima Yadav. Please ask me question.
हमें सोने का शौक है.
We are fond of sleeping. We are not fond of sleeping. Aren't we? Are we fond of sleeping? Aren't we fond of sleeping? In past, हमें सोने का शौक था. We were fond of sleeping. We were not fond of sleeping. Were we fond of sleeping? Weren't we fond of sleeping? In future, we will be fond of sleeping. We will not be fond of sleeping. Will not be fond of sleeping. Welcome to my Star Kids. My name is Vinay Yadav. Please ask me question.
मुझे कोचिंग जाने का शौक है.
My question is मुझे कोचिंग जाने का शौक है. I am fond of going to coaching. I am not fond of going to coaching. Am I fond of going to coaching? Am I not fond of going to coaching? In past, I was fond of going to coaching. I was not fond of going to coaching. Was I fond of going to coaching? Was I not fond of going to coaching? In future, I will be fond of going to coaching. I will not be fond of going to coaching. Will I be fond of going to coaching? Will I not be fond of going to coaching? Thank you.
My name is Manav Yadav. Please ask me question.
मुझे लिखने का शौक.
I am fond of writing. I am not fond of writing. I was fond of writing. I was not fond of writing. I will be not fond of writing. I will not fond of writing. Please ask me question.
मेरे भाई को दौड़ने का शौक है.
My brother is fond of running. My brother is not fond of running. In past, my brother was fond of running. My brother was not fond of running. In future, my brother will be fond of running. My brother will not be fond of running.
ask me question.
मुझे खेलने का शौक है।
I am fond of playing. I am not fond of playing. I was fond of playing. I was not fond of playing. I will be fond of playing. I will not be fond of playing.
Please answer the my question. Please ask me question.
मुझे दूध बेचने का शौक है।
I am fond of selling milk. I am not fond of selling milk. I was fond of selling milk. I was not fond of selling milk. I will be fond of selling milk. I will not be fond of selling milk.